Okay, we're going to be driving over the Macau Bridge, which is a brand new bridge. Right now we're at the airport, which is right in Taipa. I'll put all this on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And yeah, we're going to go check it out the very first opening day, which is October 1st, 2024. Macau Bridge, October 1, 2024. Today's the first day that any car can drive on that. So I took my car and I drove over it and I filmed it for you to see. So here it is. Oh, and the map behind me, just so you can see exactly where it is. All right, you got that? You see it? You see it? Okay, let's do it. Let's drive it. Oh yeah, here it is right here. There it is. So they even have the street sign up now. So you can see Ponte Macau, Macau Bridge. And this is gonna be my first time across it. And actually it just opened up today, just a couple hours ago. It opened up at 2 p.m. today on October 1, 2024. So we're going to be one of the very first people to drive across it on the very first day of the opening day. So let's experience it and see what it's all about. Looks like we got a stoplight right here. It looks like the traffic merges. I guess one direction it comes off and the other one it comes in to Taipa. So we are going to go across like this, I believe. Okay, so yeah, if I went left, then I would just come right down off of this bridge. There's a policeman right there. Okay. Very interesting. I think I see some speeding cameras right there. Or those are just lights. Okay, so underneath us looks like there's some more reclaimed land that they've... It's just like a stream of traffic today. There's the bridge. Huh. There's a big blue tubing. Wonder what that is all about. I think they're also going to build the train line that's parallel, so maybe that's something to do with that. I'm kind of curious if this is going to light up at night like some of the other bridges. So it looks like there's 2 lanes here. So I think I can get in this lane. Gonna go around the bus. The bus is already going on this bridge already. It's funny, they would start like right on day 1. And there's a bus up there too. So there's actually a bus route that's starting on day 1 as well. And so here we have our sign that says Macau, which is where Macau Peninsula, and then there's the Hong Kong Zhuhai Bridge too. So we're basically going to this other kind of island thing. So that middle lane is where the train's going to be at. I can see it really clearly now because that's looks like a train track inside there. So yeah, that's... I don't know what the blue one is on the left though. I guess that might be something to do with the building, the structure of it maybe. But yeah, it kind of blocks the view, doesn't it, when you have that big blue piping like that. So I wonder if that will stay. It looks kind of, I don't know. Anyways. Actually, this is kind of interesting because you don't really get the views. Like, you're missing out on the views. As you know, in the car, you don't really get the views. And then if you're in the train, you're just in the middle where you're going to be viewing the cars. I would have thought maybe the train would be onto a side. Or maybe the train... Oh wait, there's I just saw a motorcycle in the middle lane. So the middle lane is actually for motorcycles. So maybe the train is going to be underneath that. So okay, so that's what that's all about. Okay, let's see. So it looks like we can take one to Aeropreta, which is what I'm going to do because I'm not going to go to Hong Kong or Zhuhai. But I guess this is going to be pretty busy with people who will do that. So if you just keep moving that way, you'd be going right to the bridge to Hong Kong. But you need special... Not anybody can do that. Just select people who went through this lottery system and so forth. Lots of lights here. And then we're going to be entering into the island. You can't really see it very clearly, but there's a lot of construction to the left. So in the future, that'll be all tall buildings over there, most likely. So we're going to see how this works. Very first time on the bridge, so I'm not sure exactly where it comes out, but all that construction straight ahead is there's a motorcycle right to my right. That's good. They have their own lane there. Lots of construction over there. So yeah, straight ahead, this is all this new reclaimed land that they've been building, and I think it's something like 160,000 additional people will be housed in that spot. Okay, I think I'm gonna get in this lane because I've never been here before, and this is where all the cars are at, so I think I want to be on this lane. Okay, so this is the bridge. I'm gonna get past this a little bit and then turn the camera back on. That's all that construction, so you can see what that looks like. So it's basically just tons and tons and tons of it. The other side. So I think that is the side that goes to Hong Kong. It's like a giant parking lot over there, so must be. I can see more of the construction, and then over there is called Aeropuerto, which is part of the Macau Peninsula, which is where we're going next. And Macau border is over that way too, so we're just going to follow that, but that's what all that construction is over there. Okay, so here's Aeropuerto. And you can see the sign and then the yellow sign as well, both of them. And it looks like we basically will be able to just get right into the Macau Peninsula. So I wasn't sure how that was going to all connect, but it looks like it connects well. But I think we're going to have a lot of traffic over here because of the bridge to Hong Kong and Zhuhai. And now we're just in all the construction of this big island. As you can see, all the cranes everywhere. And I think this road is one that we're just able to walk on or go on right now. And look at that. That one says Para Taipa, for Taipa. So actually it looks like you can, well, I guess we'll find out where it goes exactly. Very interesting. But we're going to follow this to the border. Okay, so let me just kind of sum up what just happened. So we basically went over a brand new bridge, and then today was the day one, and it's just kind of an all new transformative neighborhood of Macau. So we're coming into this big island that's all kind of new, and we're working over our way to Aeropuerto right now. So the sum up of this is that there's lots of construction, and this is kind of what it looks like captured in time in 2024, and it'll be completely different a year from now, and 5 years from now, and 10 years from now. So white fence of just all this pure construction everywhere. So I think this road is a new road to go through the construction. So yep, so I guess in the future I'll probably be walking around filming these streets as they materialize into something new, but at the moment we're just experiencing it exactly as it is right now. And so we're going to be going directly through this traffic and then over to that side. So I guess we'll just end the video right now. Macau Bridge. And into this kind of construction zone that'll all be all tall buildings in the future. Okay, so we're getting out of this space right here. So there's Taipa, and then Aeropuerto is the neighborhood on the Macau Peninsula side. And Taipa goes to the other side. And then you can still see the construction down that way as well. And we basically just came down that from that direction. All right, so that kind of sums up the last to say about it, I guess. And we're still in lots of traffic. Oh, maybe I'll show you the Zhuhai side over here. You can see that too. Kind of. All right.